JNN Jamaican News Network. It is I, your anchorman, your cameraman, musician, background wardrobe. It is I, Rasta No Firey. Now we have an update, ladies and gentlemen. We have an update with the ganja in the kitchen and how the king smoke and the queen smoke spliff in the kitchen. No, it is said that the two waitresses that are floating used to smoke ganja with the king in the bedroom. Lord Jesus. No, British intelligence, MI6, them are said, them are find the suspects. The suspects, if they blow your mind, the royal goddamn, Lord Jesus, the royal goddamn, look, in the Jamaican newspaper, in the Observer, right, that's all, you see the mother, painful delay for justice. On page 3, the two suspects, look on the screen now, look, the one is Jamaican, Nigerian, and the other is a Yugoslavian sire. No, in the ad, Lord Jesus, in the ad, the Jamaican, Nigerian, him I said, Beetlejuice made him do it. What go on with Beetlejuice? Me not know. Beetlejuice is a culprit, ladies and gentlemen. Lord Jesus. Let me not know what we gonna do. No, wait. Jesus. You gotta stop Beetlejuice? Yeah? Jesus? No, never mind. Now to the weather. In England, since the case and the investigation over, for the first time in England, the sun has shined. Woo, Lord Jesus, the sun has shined. Go on, Jamaicans. No. In Jamaica. Listen, in Jamaica, since the producer rain upon me parade with me music, look, the Vatican, them have said, Jamaicans practice too much voodoo, witchcraft, and that's why they get hit with the hurricane. No, sire. It's the Vatican them must send the hurricane to Jamaica because of them are satanic, Satan. Lord Jesus. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's show. It is, wait, play me a song there. It is the anchorman, the cameraman, weatherman, musician. I is a musician. Stay tuned for the next update because we have the Batman coming up next. The Batman. The Batman.